Let's explore the main features of ZYXCAD 2024 version. The point cloud feature has been added in ZYXCAD 2024 version. Point cloud consists of 3D data composed of points. It gathers information through a 3D laser scanner, providing accurate information and coordinates, thereby enhancing accuracy and precision in design. You can check cross-sections and utilize various options to modify point size, detail, color, and more. Dynamic blocks can be freely transformed using parameters. ZYXCAD's dynamic blocks support work such as move, stretch, scale, rotate, and array. Utilizing dynamic blocks can reduce work time and make data management more convenient. The existing text format activation window has been replaced by the text editor window, allowing for more efficient text editing. Additionally, various features that were previously unsupported have been added in this version, making editing tasks more convenient and upgraded. This feature significantly improves the performance and speed of the software. Utilizing hardware acceleration increases the accuracy of graphic displays and enables more stable handling of large files. It optimizes the environment for efficiently performing complex tasks and experiencing faster working speeds. The useful file comparison feature from ZYXCAD 2022 version has been improved in the 2024 version. You can set the color for revision cloud symbols, import objects to restore deleted parts, or add changed content. You can take snapshots of the comparison results to share them, and you can also compare external references, not just general drawings.